How to fix Facebook, Gmail, and number remove problem. So if you're facing a problem where you can't remove your Gmail or your phone number, or you can't make this change at the moment problem on your Facebook, then what you need to do is first open up your Facebook. Once you open up your Facebook, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and go with settings. Once you're under the settings and privacy, go with see more in account center, and then you just need to simply go with personal details, go with contact info. Under your contact info, you can tap on the email address that you would like to remove. So tap on delete email address and go with the number, and then tap on delete number. Once you've done that, your number will be removed or your Gmail will be removed from your Facebook. But if you can't do this, or if you're facing a problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Play Store. Under your Play Store, you need to search for Facebook and go with update. Tap on update and update your Facebook. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go back and tap and hold on to your Facebook application. Go with the app info, tap on storage and cache, and go with clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now you can remove that, and now you need to restart your device. Simply press and hold on to your power button and then tap on restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Facebook, Gmail, and number remove problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.